Are you ready to join the elite 2.1% of successful Shopify dropshipping stores? With Neat Digital, it's not just a possibility, it's your new reality. Bringing over 8 years of industry-leading experience to your digital doorstep. Our mission is to not only launch your store, but to empower you with the knowledge to grow your brand and succeed over time. Avoid the pitfalls that lead to 97.9% of Shopify failures. With our expertise, your store is designed to thrive. We dive deep to find the perfect niche, creating a professionally designed, conversion-optimized store with a premium theme. You can expect hand-vetted, top-selling products, a trustworthy brand and logo, and product descriptions that really hit the mark with targeted keywords. Your store isn't just a store, it's a potential six-figure brand, mobile and SEO optimized, ready to capture the market. Join our roster of satisfied clients with a store built to convert. Reach out today for your free store proposal and begin your journey to e-commerce success here on Fiverr.